Okay, for these next 4 exercises, we have to get to the key of E flat. You're so capoed for G. So you work it out so that you get that G chord to A flat. I'll be capoed for A flat, but I'm going to be using D, G, and A. So what I've done is the 4th string open is D. I need to put the capo at A flat. And then I play a D chord. So you could do the march up thing. You could take your D chord and drag it up to where your 3rd finger is at D flat, which is pretty helpful. Or you could just capo at the 6th fret because the 4th string open, capoed, is in A flat. So we're trying to get to A flat. So my 1, 4, 5 chords will be D, G, and A. But they will be sounding A flat, D flat, E flat. Okay, that's the end result. So we're all in the key of A flat now. I'll do exercise number 1, and I'm going to do this with strum pattern 18, and I'm going to arpeggiate it like this. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and... So you'll have to either play the same strum pattern or another one in 2/4. Okay? Here we go. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and...